What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. This is the second time I've had to record this video for some reason. The camera just started glitching for some reason. Alright, so these Swisstech items are awesome. Now, I don't remember what I said in the last video, but I'm going to give it a try again. So, the items that I already owned are this guy here, which is a tri-light. It's a little camping light, and you can remove this guy to have just one light on you. I've had this little fire starter kit and this sheath and knife for a very long time now, well over a year. I have not sharpened this knife once, and it's very, very sharp. Very sharp knife. It's a very nice knife. It's a through tang design. All of these kits right here are $29.97 at Walmart. I don't want to give, Walmart any, extra, ego boost or anything like that. But Swisstech makes some amazing products. These two lights is this box right here. They're Kumpel lights. I have 3 of these green ones on my hat I individually bought a while back. And these lights are super awesome. So they do it's medium, then high, then low. So medium, high, low. Then it has a red mode, flashing red, and then a solid green mode. These lights are great. I've actually this one at the very edge is actually, the clip is broken, as you can see. This light has been used and abused. It's been under several dozen vehicles under a lift. It's been dropped multiple times. I've, took my hat off, threw my hat on the ground. So, I'm just going to glue that hinge back together, see how well it does. But I'm going to see if I can contact with Swisstech to see if I can get a replacement clip for it. But these lights have been great. I've actually had 3 lights on my hat for about a year now. I've had this stuff for over a year. This knife is awesome. And these little kits are sweet. I kind of wish they would sell the Kumpel light in red by itself all year long. I think the reason they're selling this 2-pack in a red and a green is because it's, Black Friday and, the, holidays, Thanksgiving, and Christmas and stuff. But this little knife right here is awesome. It's actually kind of an identical copy of this knife, which this knife is the exact, where this one is called the WinZip. And this is just a folding version. I really like this knife. It's super, super tiny. Little folding version. It's got a built-in little carabiner. So, awesome little knife. And this one right here is also pretty awesome. This one is called the Stamig M2. And this one is just as smooth. All of these knives are super smooth. And then these guys right here, this is a 3-pack kit. It is the Verhullt kit, the Verhullt SE kit. And it comes with a drop point, which is the white handle. These are all folding. They're very nicely balanced. They open super smooth. There is a drop point. There is a tanto. This is the tanto. The red handle is the tanto blade. It's the same. All of these are the same. They're super smooth. And the force that it takes, you actually have to put a lot of force on here on the back of the flipper. But the force it takes opens it all the way every time. And then this one is a modified sheepsfoot with a serration. And they're all super nice. $29.97 for this 3-pack is pretty awesome for this 3-pack right here. And then this is just a light that I got a while back. And it's got a Bluetooth speaker. I didn't buy it for the speaker. I actually bought it for the light. So you got low, medium, high. Same on the back side. Low, medium, high. And then you have low, medium, high. So you have 3. It's super bright. And then if you do it again, they all flash. And then again, they turn off. And then this one, you can literally deattach it. Pretty awesome little camp light. And the nice thing about this one is it's magnetic. You can literally just attach it to something like that. Or if you have some portable magnets, you can also magnet it to your tent. I'm going to end up picking up another one of these kits to throw in my wife's truck. Little fire starter kit comes with this. This kit is also an option for the $29.97 as well. And they also have like a hard case version, like a sealed a Pelican style case version of that it comes with a couple other items. But this kit right here, it also comes with this nice little cute little sharpener, which is pretty sweet. So it's got the fine ceramic sharp side and then the coarse metal sharp side. It's got a bottle opener. Beautiful finish. The finish on it's pretty similar to the light. And then you get this little bit driver here. It'll focus. There you go. Little bit driver. It's got a T8 and a T6 in it inside the casing. And then this one comes with like a little tiny little titanium pen, which is this guy right here. And it's actually got a breaker on the end of it, so you could probably break glass with that. But this is a little pen, which is what these little refills are. It's a little tiny pen. And it's titanium, and they both come with these really nice titanium rings. I'm not going to put any of these on these titanium rings or anything. I'm actually going to throw everything in this little fire starter kit. And I'm going to throw these knives in here too. But it's super nice kits. You know, go check them out for the holidays at Walmart. Swisstech makes some great stuff. I actually have a bunch of other stuff from them. But these are some really nice knives. I like how compact and small this little guy is. It's just so cute. It's super sharp. You could put it on a key ring if you want. I don't think it's necessary. It does not have a pocket clip. So, you know, I'm just going to throw it in this little pouch here. Is what I'm going to do. But, you know, go check them out if you guys need any of these items. I've never had an issue with a Swisstech knife. I actually have a couple other knives similar to this from them. But they're the bigger versions of these guys. You know, the full-size version with the handles bigger than this. And those are folding. Sorry I didn't include them in the video, guys. But I just wanted to, you know, quickly get this video out for you guys. These are great lights. And you charge them through the back. Right there, they have USB-C charging. I've not had any issues with them. They have 300 milliamp hour batteries. I usually use them on high and medium a lot. And just turning them on medium, I've gotten, you know, several hours worth of use out of them, especially working under a vehicle. The last vehicle I was under was a buddy of mine's 3rd gen. We were at his shop, and it was on the lift, and we were doing a bunch of control arms and suspension components and everything like that. But check these out, guys. I think all of these Swisstech products that Walmart carries, I think it's a great line of products. I even have this light where you can actually wave your hand in front of it and it'll turn on and off. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the next one.